Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Yalos Main Road. This is the section of the Southern Coastal Highway that goes through Yalos now. And as you can see, the road here has been left in a terrible state. Now, the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project is to build a highway from St. Thomas to Portland, going through from Harborview in St. Andrew to Port Antonio in Portland. Look at the state of this road. So China Harbor Engineering Company is the main contractor for the entire project. Now they decided to hire 10 local subcontractors and gave them certain sections of the road to work on. This is one of those sections. When you heard about people blocking the road in St. Thomas and the protests and taxi operators not wanting to use the road and bus operators pulling their service, this is the road, or one of the roads in question. So the local subcontractors ran into all sorts of problems. They blamed China Harbor blamed them, the government got involved, but at the end of the day, this is the road that people have to drive on. So I think the latest thing now is that China Harbor Engineering Company is taking over those sections of the highway that were given to the local subcontractors. But China Harbor Engineering Company can't even finish the sections that they were working on time. So these sections have been left in this state. The section from the Harborview Bridge to the Yalos Bridge was to have finished in March 2023. That's a section that China Harbor Engineering Company directly works on. And then in March it was changed to April, and then in April it was changed to August. So it's still, and chances are it's not going to finish by August. So these sections are, you don't really see much work going on in this section because I'm not sure, but a lot of the sections given to the local subcontractors had to be taken back over by China Harbor Engineering Company. Now, we had asked this question in a previous video as to why these roads take so long. China Harbor Engineering Company is also building the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. They do all the major highways. So I don't know if it's a case where they just don't have the manpower to work on all these projects at the same time. I don't know what's going on, but these projects, they just don't seem to have a lot of people working on them. Now we are driving on this road, which is a part of the highway project. Billions of dollars spent on this road, billions, and you don't see one person working, not one worker working on the road. So I'm not sure. The entire project is to finish by 2025. And chances are it won't. Some sections will, but the entire project won't be finished. But this is bad for people to have to drive on this road every day. It's really bad. And to think that this project is the largest road project on the way in Jamaica as of today. The only project that's probably going to be larger than this one is the expansion of the Northern Coastal Highway, which is to extend the road from Ocho Rios to Montego Bay from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. Not sure what's going on ahead, but the road is down to single one lane. Okay, so here you can see some work actually being done, and this looks like China Harbor Engineering Company doing some work. Hi guys, we're going to check out this fire station here now. This is the new Yalos fire station. This road is terrible. We're not going to go any further into Yalos, but we will continue. We'll give you updates on other sections of the roadway all the way to Port Antonio in future videos. Hi guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.